To find square root of 1849 by long division method. So make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Okay, consider this second pair. Take here a number whose square will be equal to 18 or nearest to 18. So if you take here look 4, then 4 square equal to 16, but if you take here 5, then 5 square equal to 20, which is greater. So our gauging number 4 is correct. This same digit will come to the quotient also. 4 times 4, 16. Subtract to bring down the next pair. You have placed here the digit 4 in the quotient, so same digit will come under the divisor and need to add 8. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. Now you have to get here a number, that number must come here, then you need to multiply, and this product will be equal to this or nearest to this. So if you take here 3, then what will happen? 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 8, 24, which is equal to this. So you can place here 3. 3 times 83, that gives you 249. Okay, subtract, you are getting 0. As a remainder is 0, we have nothing to do, so our answer is 43. Okay, since you have placed the digit 3 here, same digit will come under this divisor and add. 3 plus 3, 6, 8. The double of 43 is 86, so we can easily say that this answer is correct, 43, right? So the square root of 1849 by long division method is 43.